Prince Harry's claims against a newspaper publisher are Alice in Wonderland stuff, a lawyer has said, after he claimed the royal family struck a secret pact with a media organization over phone hacking allegations. That's the view of lawyers working for the Rupert Murdoch-funded newspaper group The Sun. The Duke of Sussex is currently attempting to push through with his plan to take the Sun's publisher to court over claims some of its journalists hacked his voicemails and illegally targeted him with private investigators. Mr. Murdoch's company is trying to block such a move on technical grounds, with its lawyers saying Harry had in fact waited too long to file legal paperwork. Harry has claimed that the royal family, who he was a senior working member for up until he left the UK in 2020, had agreed not to sue The Sun and the News of the World over phone hacking allegations. This was in lieu of affected royals receiving apologies and payouts as opposed to the case ever reaching court. Mr. Murdoch's legal team, though, say this argument is fundamentally flawed and likened the claims to something created by a fictional author. On Wednesday, Anthony Hudson, representing NGN, said the Duke's claims of a secret agreement was Alice in Wonderland stuff and a construct of his lawyers. Harry's barrister, David Sherborne, told the High Court in London that the Duke of Sussex's case had been delayed as he was unaware of such a secret pact between the firm and newspapers existing. Sherborne asked the court why key figures who knew about the pact, namely former The Sun editor Rebecca Brooks and chief executive of News Corp Robert Thomson, were not appearing in court to offer their side of events. He said, the only explanation for them not having provided evidence is it's entirely tactical. Among the royals said to be aware of the agreement, Mr. Sherborne told the court, was Harry's older brother, Prince William, who had once taken a very large sum of money from Mr. Murdoch's company in 2020 due to a phone hacking claim. He argued that William's payout further backed Harry's claims, adding, his brother's role is very important. He took exactly the same stance. In past hearings, the court was told that Queen Elizabeth, the late monarch and Harry's grandmother, knew of the deal when the Duke of Sussex tried to get an apology from Mr. Murdoch's company in 2017. News Group Newspapers, which publishes The Sun, through its lawyer Anthony Hudson, said Harry was not aware of who told him such a deal existed. The barrister continued, his case is legally flawed. His factual case is fundamentally flawed. News Group Newspapers has maintained that any phone hacking only ever took place at the News of the World, and has recently blocked actor Hugh Grant from bringing a phone hacking claim against it. In recent years, Mr. Murdoch's company has paid a number of sums to claimants who have alleged their voicemails have been intercepted by The Sun.